Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is the Boston Whaler 23 Outrage, fresh arrival here in Jacksonville Beach. We're going to do a quick walkthrough video of it, just show you some of the highlights of this particular boat. We'll start off with this V8 Mercury back here. This is the 300 horsepower. This is the white engine, so this is going to go really good with the white on the boat, as well as the white powder coating on the T-top, so it makes everything match up really nice. Little things matter big on boats like this, and this may seem like a little thing, but you'll see here on the back you've got a boarding ladder, and a lot of our competitors will just have a two-step ladder. When that goes down into the water, it's hard to get your leg up on that. You've got a four-step ladder here, so when that drops down in the water, it's real easy to get your leg up on that bottom step and get into the boat. Collapses down nicely, little strap to hold it in place. We've got some rod holders back in the back, live well to the port side. This flip up back seat with a nice high backrest bolster on it. You can see how easy that goes and stores away. More rod holders on both sides. Got tons of rod holders on this. We got 6 in the gunnel, then we've got those 2 right there. Then we've got 4 shotgun rod holders on the T-top, 2 more on this leaning post right here. Lift this up, second live well on the boat. If you don't need both of these for live wells, they're both foam insulated around the outside, so you can use them as a cooler if you're not using them to keep your bait alive. So really nice that this has 2 of them. Freeboard on this boat, if you look, you've got over 2 feet of freeboard in here, so when you're standing inside this boat, you're going to feel really secure. You've also got tow rails. Tow rails are nice that if you're fishing, you hook your feet up underneath that, you get over the side of the boat, and it makes you more secure when you're bringing in that big fish. One thing I passed up back here in the back is the freshwater shower. So you climb out of the water, you've got a freshwater tank on board, rinse yourself off. Making our way forward, we've made it real easy for electronics for you on here already. We've already got a great SIMRAD package on here, 2 SIMRAD displays, so you don't have to do a split screen. So you can put your GPS on this side, put your sounder over on this side. Your VHF radio is already there. And then of course your Mercury display here right in the center. Really nice stainless steel wheel with the steering knob on it. Makes it really easy to control the boat. Tilt steering wheel as well. Compass centered on the driver. Keep making our way forward. You see that the size of these cleats that you have on this boat. This is just a 23 footer. This is comparable to what you see on a lot of our competitors, 27 and 29, maybe 30-foot boats. So they really overbuild everything on here. When you look at this T-top, I just want you to look at how this is formed right to the fiberglass. The fit and finish work on Boston Whaler is fantastic. It's just hard to match anything out there with the fit and finish that Boston Whaler has. We've got a nice seat center line here too. A little bit of storage. That's insulated cooler, or you use it for dry storage if you want to. But this backrest goes nice and high. This is a super comfortable seat right here. You're gonna love sitting up here looking where you're going. One other thing that I really like about Whalers is they put handholds all over the boat for you. You're keeping everybody steady, make sure that they feel safe in the boat. And if you look around this boat, there's handholds all over the place. We opted for the optional anchor windlass on this, so no breaking your back pulling your anchor in. Nice polished stainless steel anchor. Again, bolsters up in the bow area. You're going to be comfortable to sit up here. This is just a great all-around, not just a great fishing boat, but it's a great family boat that the whole family can go out and just enjoy the day cruising around. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. If you want to take a test ride, call me on my cell phone, 904-625-6146.